Tomorrow, Friday, May 8th, is the beginning of the second Passover, and which means sundown on Thursday today to tomorrow sundown is second Passover. And Israel already after sundown, so we are in second Passover, going into the weekend. According to Hebrew calendar, next Monday, which is May 11th, is the second month of the 17th day, which is the Noah's flood start. So Sunday sundown to Monday sundown is the first day of Noah's flood begins. Is high watch time for rapture or any disaster coming. And this month, starting on the 12th, we as a whole, the earth entering into a area of asteroid debris. So expect more of the weather chaos, weather disaster, and also the increase of fireballs falling from the sky, the intensity level of earthquake, tornado, volcano eruption, etc. And according to Laura Wells, she's excellent in interpreting the signs in the space conditions, the planets' movements, etc. So the warning is from May 12th to at least 19. According to Enoch calendar, the Passover was on March 31st. So Pentecost will be on May 24th. And Hebrew calendar Passover, it was on April 8th, and Pentecost will be on May 31st. So take note on May 24th and May 31st, high watch days for rapture and any storms that may come. Let's see. So going into the second half of May is critical because the increase intensified fireballs, earthquakes, volcano, tornado, weather disasters. So the meteor shower, Eta Aquarius, is from April 19th to May 26th. So now until 26th, we need to be careful of fireballs. Okay, so to recap, Rapture High Watch Days this coming Sunday, May 10th to 11th. Then May 24th, May 31st. And if I have any new information, I will let you guys know. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.